Damn right. Here's how with free AI. All right, Profit Nation, listen up. You need cash? I'm not talking about some maybe in a few weeks fantasy. I'm not talking about waiting for a paycheck that's already spent. I'm talking about 500 real American dollars hitting your bank account, bam, within a few days. How? By leveraging the insane power of free AI tools and a little bit of that hustle I know you've got buried inside you. Forget startup costs. Forget needing a PhD in computer science. This is about pure, unadulterated results, fast. I see so many of you scrolling, wishing, waiting for some magic bullet. Well, guess what? The magic bullet is action, and the weapon is right in front of you. It's AI, and it's mostly free. In this video, I'm not just going to talk about it, I'm going to break down a proven step-by-step strategy. We're going from zero, from absolutely nothing, to $500 in your pocket in under 72 hours. No fluff, no BS. Just a straight-up game plan. So if you're tired of being broke, if you're sick of the excuses, if you're ready to actually do something, then you're in the right damn place. Stop overthinking and start executing. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, this is a get-paid-now reality. You bring the effort, AI brings the leverage. Let's freaking go. Look, the biggest secret that isn't a secret is understanding where the demand is. Right now, today, this very second, there are millions of small business owners, content creators, solopreneurs, online marketers, you name it, who are absolutely desperate. They're drowning. They need content, they need graphics, they need videos, they need social media posts, they need product descriptions, they need email copy, they need it yesterday. And most of them either don't have the time, the skill, or the budget to hire expensive agencies or full-time staff. This is where you, armed with AI, become their superhero, their problem solver. And problem solvers get paid, period. You don't need to be a Hemingway to write compelling copy anymore. You don't need to be a Spielberg to create engaging short videos. You don't need a design degree from RISD to whip up decent graphics. Why? Because AI tools, many of them completely free to start, can do 80% of the heavy lifting for you. Think about that. The barrier to entry has been obliterated. What used to take years of training and expensive software now takes a few prompts and a willingness to learn and iterate. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting with a powerful assistant that's ready to work 24/7. The market is screaming for these services. Little mom and pop shops trying to get online, local restaurants needing social media presence, coaches trying to build their brand, e-commerce stores needing endless product descriptions. They are overwhelmed. They know this stuff, but they are stuck in the weeds of their actual business. You step in, not as a world-class expert, but as someone who can deliver good, fast, and affordable results using tools that most of them haven't even explored yet. That's your unfair advantage right now. Don't wait until everyone catches on. So the first step is realizing this massive, gaping hole in the market. It's not about reinventing the wheel, it's about providing the grease that makes the existing wheels turn smoother and faster for these businesses. You're not selling AI, you're selling solutions, you're selling them time back, you're selling them visibility, you're selling them the ability to compete. And the beautiful part, AI is your silent partner, your engine, making it possible for you to deliver quality at speed without burning yourself out. This understanding is foundational. Okay, so you know businesses need. Now where the hell do you find these people? It's simpler than you think. Stop overcomplicating it. Head straight to the watering holes where these desperate clients congregate. I'm talking about platforms like Fiverr. People go to Fiverr specifically looking for quick, affordable services. Set up a simple profile, AI-powered content creator, fast turnaround video ads, catchy product descriptions with AI. You get the idea. Make it clear you're leveraging modern tools for speed and efficiency. Price yourself competitively, especially at the start, to get those first few reviews. Then, there's the goldmine of Facebook groups. Seriously. Search for groups related to small business owners, entrepreneurs, digital marketing, content creators, even local community groups. People are literally posting every single day. Help! I need someone to write product descriptions for my new Shopify store. Or, looking for a quick video editor for some social media clips. Or can anyone design a simple logo for my startup? These are not hidden messages. These are direct pleas for help. Your job is to be there, ready to pounce, professionally and confidently. Don't just say I can do it, say I can help with that. I use AI tools to deliver high-quality service quickly. Here's an example. Now, let's talk tools. This isn't about needing a fancy software suite that costs thousands. For writing, ChatGPT, the free version is incredible, Claude, or even Google's Bard. Give it a clear prompt. Write 3 engaging product descriptions for a handmade scented candle, highlighting its relaxing properties and natural ingredients. Boom. For video, Pictory.ai takes articles or scripts and turns them into videos. InVideo is another great one. Canva, people. Canva now has incredible AI features for graphics, presentations, and even basic video. You can create social media posts, simple logos, add creatives in minutes. The key is to spend a little time, I'm talking hours, not weeks, familiarizing yourself with the free versions of these tools. You're not aiming for Hollywood-level production on day one. You're aiming for good enough that solves a real problem for someone, fast. When you see those posts, don't just scroll past. Jump in, offer your service. Show them you can take that task off their plate. You're not guessing what they need, they are explicitly telling you. Your role is to be the connector between their problem and AI's solution, with you as the skilled operator. This is about speed of implementation. See a need, offer a solution, deliver with AI, get paid, rinse and repeat. Chapter 3. Stack that cash. From $50 gigs to $500 plus weekends, the AI multiplier. Alright, so you land your first gig. Maybe it's writing a couple of blog post intros for $50 using ChatGPT. Fantastic. You deliver, they're happy, you get paid. Now what, do you stop? Hell no. This is where the mindset of stacking your income comes in. That $50 is proof of concept. Now you replicate and scale. Don't just do one task and call it a day. The beauty of using AI is the speed and efficiency it gives you. What might take someone else hours, you can often do in a fraction of the time, allowing you to take on multiple small projects simultaneously. Think about it like this. You write those 2 blog posts for $50 each. That's $100. While ChatGPT is crafting those, you see another request for a short promotional video for a local bakery. You jump on Pictory or Canva, use their AI video tools, maybe some stock footage, and create a perfectly good 30-second video ad. You charge $100 for that. Now you're at $200. See how this works? You're not limited by the traditional time for money exchange in the same way because AI is your force multiplier. It's doing the heavy lifting on the creation side. Then, maybe you spot 3 different people in a Facebook group needing simple logos for their new side hustles. You fire up Canva's AI logo maker or another free AI logo generator, create a few options for each, and sell them at $100 a pop. That's another $300. Add that to your previous $200 and bam, you've just cleared $500. And guess what? With focused effort and these AI tools, this is entirely achievable in a single weekend. Maybe even a couple of evenings after your day job. All of this, I repeat, using these AI tools. No subscriptions, no upfront investment beyond your time and your internet connection. This isn't a fantasy. This is about volume and efficiency. Small wins stacked quickly. Each task might seem small, $50 here, $100 there, but they add up incredibly fast when you can deliver quality results in minutes or a couple of hours, not days. The key is to be actively looking for these opportunities and to get proficient with a few core AI tools so you can turn these requests around rapidly. Don't get bogged down trying to be a master of everything. Master a few key services you can deliver quickly with AI and then just execute, execute, execute. Chapter 4. Proof positive. The gig economy is already doing this. AI is your edge. Now some of you might be thinking, Prophet, this sounds too good to be true. Is this really sustainable? Are people actually making money this way? My answer? Abso-freaking-lutely. And you don't even have to look far for proof, just take a peek at the gig economy. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer.com, and yes, Fiverr again, are teaming with individuals offering these exact services. People are writing articles, designing graphics, editing videos, managing social media, and they've been doing it for years. The demand is established, it's undeniable. The difference, the game changer, your secret weapon, is AI. While many traditional freelancers are still relying purely on manual labor, spending hours, sometimes days on tasks that AI can now significantly accelerate, you're coming in with a turbocharger. You're not spending 8 hours meticulously crafting a blog post from scratch. You're using AI to generate a solid first draft in minutes, then spending an hour refining it, adding your human touch, ensuring it meets the client's needs. You're not spending days learning complex video editing software for a simple social clip. AI tools are simplifying that process dramatically. This isn't about replacing human skill entirely, it's about augmenting it. It's about leverage. AI does the grunt work, the heavy lifting, the time-consuming parts, freeing you up to focus on finding the clients, understanding their needs, managing the projects, and ensuring quality control. You become the strategist, the operator, the client manager, while AI is your tireless, super efficient assistant. This allows you to handle more volume, deliver faster, and ultimately make more money in the same amount of time or even less. So when you see people out there already succeeding in the gig economy, don't be intimidated, be inspired. They've proven the market exists. Your advantage is that you're stepping in with next-generation tools that many of them haven't fully embraced yet. This is your window of opportunity. You're not just competing on effort anymore. You're competing on intelligence, the intelligence to use artificial intelligence to your advantage. This isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter, much smarter, and letting the machines do what they do best, so you can do what do best. Find the next quick win and stack that cash. Outro. Stop scrolling, start stacking your $500 AI action plan. So there you have it, no more excuses. If you're broke, if you're feeling that financial pressure, if you just need money and you need it fast, this is your wake-up call, your sign, your permission slip to go out and get it. Stop endlessly scrolling through social media hoping for a miracle. The miracle is in the execution. Start creating, start offering, start solving problems with these incredible AI tools that are, for the most part, free to get started with. Let me be real clear, AI isn't some magic wand that's going to make you a millionaire overnight. That's not what I'm selling you, and anyone who tells you that is full of it. But what it do, right now today, is put real, tangible money in your hands. Fast. If, and only if, you take decisive action. The $500 in 72 hours? It's not a gimmick. It's a benchmark for what's possible when you combine these tools with focused hustle. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it doesn't exist. The perfect moment is now. The opportunity is staring you right in the face. The tools are available. The clients are out there practically begging for help. What are you waiting for? Go out there, put in the work, leverage the AI, and get yourself paid. Hit that like button if you got value. Subscribe for more no BS strategies from me, Profit, and more importantly, go out there and make that money. Let's get you paid.